Welcome to Compliance Assurance Associates Incorporated. This video covers what to expect when you attend a CAA smoke school. We ask students to arrive before the scheduled start time to get signed in so we can begin promptly. This is especially important for public smoke schools to respect all the students in attendance. Participants should be on site at least 15 minutes early. New students may want a little extra time. Those who arrive late will have to wait for the next test run to join the class. To instruct new students and as a reminder to those returning, the field monitor will cover the following: how to reach the digital testing app for the session, how to locate the student's company and name on the roster, how to verify the student information and update it if necessary. Once the student has completed this phase of the sign-in process, the app prompts the student to click the I Verify button to proceed. This information must be correct as Method 9 certification is tied to the student's identity. After the verification step, the app asks the student to record the following variables: if the student uses eyewear, and if so, what type; approximate distance from the stack to confirm proper viewing angle of 18 degrees or less; compass direction from the observer to the stack to verify the sun is in the 140-degree sector at their back. Remember, if student eyewear changes, they must recertify to be a qualified observer. If these variables change during the smoke school, students can update their data by tapping the CAA logo at the top. Once students complete the sign-in process, the field monitor will open testing. The digital app will update automatically, and students will be able to proceed. The next step is to provide instruction on the digital testing app. The field monitor covers the following: utilizing the slider and what the numbers mean, selecting and recording the observed opacity value, changing answers. A full understanding of these techniques effectively eliminates all mistakes, which often caused failures in the paper test-taking process. The app has several features to troubleshoot field issues. A digital heartbeat indicates a steady connection to the server. A persistent refresh button. Real-time feedback on timeouts in the form of a recording indicator. In most cases, a simple refresh on the app will solve issues. If you need help, ask the field monitor for assistance. Once students are signed in and familiar with the digital app, the field monitor provides instruction on opacity reading best practices. The following topics are covered: selecting the best background for reading white and black smoke, the necessary criteria for passing Method 9 certification, terminology that will be used during field testing, coaching about when and how to accurately read the opacity. After learning opacity basics, the calibration process begins. The field monitor shows reference points for white smoke and provides a brief description of their characteristics and how the opacity values differ in appearance. The shown reference points are 25, 50, and 75. The characteristics vary for each color of smoke being observed. Remembering these visual characteristics and verbal descriptions will help to accurately identify values while performing readings on the job. After the calibration is complete and students have been able to develop a mental image of the reference points, the next step is a practice round for white smoke. Practice rounds ensure students understand smoke observation, can use the digital app, and are successfully connected to the digital testing server. Once students are comfortable with the testing processes, the first part of the test run begins on white smoke. When the white test points are completed, the smoke generator is switched to black smoke, which takes a few minutes. Then students are guided through calibration and practice on black smoke before the second part of the test is administered. When a test run is complete, students are asked to verify their answers before the grading begins. Once all answers are recorded, the field monitor will initiate automated grading, and students will see their results immediately. Students who pass the test must complete a few finalization steps and show their certified status to the CAA personnel before leaving the field site. Students who did not pass the test are informed when the next test run will begin and are given an opportunity for individual coaching. Look for other visible emissions videos on our website under the Resources tab. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the field.